Good afternoon, it's Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions, and today I'm shooting a video of our 2018 Dodge Grand Caravan. And this, like most of our vans, is a wheelchair and mobility accessible van. I'll get right to the conversion. This is a brand new conversion right from the ATS, the factory. The conversion itself comes with a 3-year unlimited mile warranty, and I guess the first thing we need to do is have it unlocked. Probably a good idea to get in the back hatch. As you see inside the back hatch, it's got the manual door, manual trunk lid, very easy to operate. To open the tie downs, the latches. I've already got this one open over here. They just clamp down, latch right up. It's got a handle on either side, left or right side. I'm going to use the right side, and I'm going to put one finger on this. Look here, I can take this to the ground using only one finger. It's spring assisted. Very easy to operate, very little to go wrong. The ramp itself is 34 inches wide. Most side entries are 30 inches, so that extra 4 inches can make a huge difference. 34 inches wide coming inside the van, over 56 inches of height coming inside the van, and then inside the van is actually 58 inches of height. You can see tie down points, 2 in the rear, 4 in the middle, 2 up front for a total of 8. This van will hold up to 2 wheelchairs at a time, or a gurney, or a stretcher. Have the spare tire there. Headliner is in excellent condition. You can see the rear air controls as well. Has the 2 middle row seats. These middle row seats have about 21 inches of room between them. That will fit some of the smaller chairs. If you want to get 2 chairs in here, what a lot of our customers will do is they'll remove one of these seats to create a little, about 5 or 6 inches more room. Call us. Talk to us about what you need. Talk to us about what kind of room you need. We'll help custom accommodate the van to fit your needs, because one size does not fit all. We completely understand that. We will work with you, okay? The dash is in excellent condition. Everything up front, everything on the entire van looks about brand new. Has the steering wheel controls, which is very nice. Keep you, or if you're your family, or if you have any, employees that work for you, keep their eyes on the road. Has the backup camera, great feature to have, also great for safety. Has dual climate control. The driver can be one temperature, the passenger can be the second temperature, and the drivers in the rear can even be a third temperature. So you can have 3 different climates going in this van at one time. So when everybody's latched down and secure, come back out, grab the ramp, watch, one finger. Pull that ramp right up, reverse the process. Very easy to do. The power ramps and doors are nice, but they are not near as efficient as these. When they do break, they're extremely costly to repair. And of course, they're always going to break at the worst time. So if you can get by with one of these, I tell our customers, if you can lift a half a gallon of milk up off the ground, you can operate one of these ramps. Very easy to do. The exterior of the van has the tinted windows, give you some privacy, looks really nice. Also keep you nice and cool in the summertime. These tires are the wheels are 17-inch alloys. The tires are in good condition. They're not brand new by any means, but still a lot of tread left on them. Probably the original tires on this van, I assume. The original tires probably come with a 70 or 80,000 mile tread depth, on them. So probably about halfway on the tires. The exterior is extremely clean. We only buy top of the line vans. I do not buy headaches. I do not want headaches. I want a good quality product to put on the road for our customers. Something we can sell and move on down the line and sell some more. It's hard to find a scratch or a ding in this van. I'm not saying there's not a single scratch. I'm not saying there's not a tiny ding somewhere, but I'm saying this van looks darn near brand new. I see one tiny, about the size of a dime right there, little ding. And unfortunately, you have something with 37,000 miles on it. Unfortunately, people are going to ding it once in a while. So, I think I see another little ding. Yeah, I do see another little ding right there. Now that I'm moving light, a little ding right there. So, not major issues, but I want to represent this van honest and fair as I possibly can. I'm a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. This van smells amazing. We just had it professionally detailed. Looks good, it smells good. All the interior is super clean. I don't see any signs of any cigarette burns, no signs of any animal odors or stains or anything like that. Super clean van. This van also comes with 2 key fobs. It actually has the remote start. So if it's really hot this time of year, you can have the AC running. The van can be nice and cool by the time you get out here. Or of course during the winter time, you can have the windows defrosting and be ready to roll and come into a warm van. The current mile is 37,500 on the dot. No check engine lights, no airbag lights, no ABS, none of that stuff. Full tank of gas. There you go. It's not going to shift into reverse with the door open. Let me shut this. There we go. Oh, it wasn't shifting into reverse because I didn't have the key in the ignition. Duh. Got to put the key in the ignition even when auto start. There it goes. All the warning lights come on. Now we shift into reverse. Think, Jeremiah. There we go. Reverse camera. Very good for safety. Keep you from backing into things. Let's pop the hood so you can listen to it run. Underneath the hood, it has a 3.6 V6 engine. It idles smoothly. It sounds great. No signs of any leaks. No signs of anything abnormal. It runs just like it should. Underneath the van, you can see it's very dry. No signs of any water damage. No signs of any abnormal rust. No signs of any leaks. And that's why I get on the ground and I crawl and I show you underneath these vans. I can buy these vans for a dime a dozen out of Chicago and New Jersey, and I can convert them and I can save extra money, but that's not the way I do business. I buy quality stuff, like I said. So I hope you choose to buy from Affordable Mobility, but no matter who you buy from, know who you're buying from. If they won't get out and make a video like I'm making right now, if they won't crawl underneath it, who are they and what are they selling to you? At Affordable Mobility, we've been in business over 7.5 years. We have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. We have over 500 positive feedback reviews on eBay and 0 negative feedback reviews. Folks, that's 500 and 0. It doesn't get much better than that. So let's get the van on the highway so you can listen to it run. Okay, the last portion of the video, I always like to get the vans on a test drive, get them out on the highway so you can see they're roadworthy, get them up to 70 miles an hour or so. We've tested all the windows, the air conditioning. The air conditioner works great. I have it on right now. It's a pretty warm day. This does have the rear windows as well. Tested the radio, heat and air, checked all the fluids. This van is in wonderful condition. So what I'll do now is get it out on the highway. My goal here is for you to hear the engine run, hear it shift to high speeds. I'm going to drive it hard. I'm not ever going to abuse any of our vehicles, but I do want you to see this is roadworthy. A little bit of traffic today. This van gets up to about 67 miles an hour. No problems. You can see the steering wheel is not bouncing back and forth. Got the cruise set at about 60 right now. This van runs and drives like a brand new van right down the highway. It just tracks nice and straight. And I know there's a lot of companies out there, a lot of people you can buy a mobility van from. Ask yourself, do they have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau? Because we do. Do they have over 500 positive feedback ratings on eBay? Because we do. Do they have an excellent rating, sorry, lost what I was going to say there. An excellent rating online. Look us up anywhere. All our reviews are wonderful. We have excellent ratings. Go to Google, go anywhere you want to. Check us out. We have wonderful ratings. We do have those ratings. Do they charge you for a tag or hidden administrative fees or document fees that can total up to $1,500 sometimes? Because we do not. We give you a free 60-day tag. When you compare that, and do they offer free delivery to your front door? Because we do. Nice hard brake here. No grinding, no squeaking, no unusual vibration. So if you just compare simply our price, we are still the best in the country. Then if you compare reputation, Better Business Bureau ratings, free shipping, no document and tag fees, folks, no one can come close to us for putting this van in your driveway. No one can match us dollar for dollar. No one can come within a few $1,000s of us. And the reason is we don't take the word medical, attach it to a van, and jack the price up $20,000. That's not how we do business. So, as always, thank you for checking us out. If you ever want to come in and see one of our vans, please always make an appointment with us. Sometimes we're out doing things like this. We're very busy. I know your time's valuable. We don't want to miss you. Check us out 24 hours a day at www.mobility316.com. And I understand this is a big investment, something else we do that no one else does. Say you're Kansas City, Tulsa, Oklahoma City, Dallas, and you want to see this van before you purchase, we can bring it out to you on a trailer. We can't work for free, but we can work for a very fair and reasonable rate, something no one else will do for you. So as always, thank you so much for checking out Affordable Mobility Solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call us today.